Gentlemen, and to our members on both sides of the aisle, today's hearing will continue our work on digital assets and examining the market structure framework. I encourage members on both sides of the aisle to use this hearing as an opportunity for productive dialogue. We should aim to identify areas of consensus within the legislation and thoughtfully address provisions that may require further refinement. Digital assets and blockchain technology are driving the next evolution of the internet. This technology empowers individuals, spurs innovation, and creates economic opportunities. But to fully recognize these benefits, we must ensure that there's a functional regulatory framework in place. Currently, there is no federal framework for digital assets. The SEC and the CFTC do not have clear jurisdictional boundaries over digital assets, leaving investors, entrepreneurs in a state of uncertainty and often discouraging innovation here in the United States. As a result, American consumers and investors have endured prolonged confusion and limited protections due to the absence of a consistent regulatory framework. Companies have asked and even sued the Securities and Exchange Commission to provide them with clarity they need to comply with current regulations. Others have even moved their operations out of the U.S. to avoid dealing with the SEC's regulation by enforcement approach. I've worked diligently on the Clarity Act with House Ag Committee Chairman G.T. Thompson and members from across the House of Representatives that have an interest in providing much-needed regulatory clarity for market participants and innovation. Our bill establishes a clear, codified exemption pathway for digital commodity projects to raise capital, support secondary market trading of these assets, enables SEC-registered entities to participate in digital commodity markets, and much more. Ultimately, this is about protecting American consumers, encouraging innovation at home, and ensuring that the U.S. leads in the future of digital assets. We started this Congress with a joint press conference with Senate Chairs Tim Scott in banking, John Bozeman in agriculture, alongside my partner here in the House, Chairman G.T. Thompson of the House Ag Committee. We committed to provide functional rules of the road for the digital asset ecosystem. The discussion here today is a critical part of that journey, and I look forward to an informed conversation on how digital asset market structure legislation can deliver meaningful protection and benefits for our constituents and for the innovation technology across our